Hello friends, and welcome to week 11 of our cocktail curriculum here on Virtual Happy Hour. This week I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to bring your attention to some amazing other cocktail creators, bartenders, and booze bloggers from the world over. And today, for Tequila Tuesday, I wanted to highlight Amanda from Salty Paloma. Salty Paloma is an entire cocktail brand. She has a collection of drink rimmers, which we'll be using today. She also is offering cocktail kits for sale for those of you who are based in Toronto, and she does classes. She's really the whole package. And so I am making today one of the cocktails from her blog. It is called an orange tequila smash. So basically we're gonna get started. We're gonna be using a fresh orange, which I'm just gonna, breaking things. I'm just gonna start by roughly just chopping up this orange just to make it a little bit easier to muddle. Just kind of smaller pieces. And then we're gonna throw that into our shaker tin, and then we're gonna add a healthy dose of reposado tequila, some lime juice, and give it a shake. So I've got my orange in here. I'm gonna give it a muddle. We wanna get all the fresh juices out of this orange and make sure that gets into the cocktail. So this is, pretty similar to a margarita. Instead of using orange liqueur, we are of course using very fresh orange juice. So I'm going a little bit harder than I typically would if I were muddling an herb, just because I'm trying to extract as much of the juice from this orange as possible. That is awesome. And so today I am using her Havana drink rimmer, which is a combination of raw cane sugar, grapefruit, lime, and mint. I think it's gonna be a really nice addition, complement to this drink. On her blog, she uses her Fiesta mix. I picked this up today. Robin from Pot and Pantry was kind enough to accommodate my last minute request for curbside pickup for this Salty Paloma drink rimmer. The Fiesta would be a great option. It is raw cane sugar, lime, and grapefruit. So I've gone ahead and rimmed that. I obviously ran the lime around the edge of this and then rimmed it with the rimmer on the plate. So now we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of reposado tequila. As you can see, I have replenished my stock of tequila after last week crushing both my Blanco and my reposado. And now we're gonna add half an ounce of lime juice, but I need my citrus juicer. So we're gonna add half an ounce of lime juice. Let's see here. Pretty close, just a little bit more. So very simple 3-ingredient cocktail, getting the sweetness from that real orange juice, brightness from the lime, and of course, a nice boozy kick from our tequila. And now we're gonna give it a shake. Ice is a good starting point, guys. I'm all over the place. I take an extra day off and I forget what I'm doing. Meow shake. Also, Amanda does awesome drink videos and happy hours on her Instagram page as well. So check it out. Support some other awesome cocktail creators. I'm gonna add 1 large cube to my rocks glass. And then we're gonna strain this in. I'm not gonna worry too much about any orange pulp that gets in here. It is, of course, gonna make the straining a little bit more time consuming because we have that pulp in there. It's gonna be good. Hoping to showcase some other booze bloggers and creators that you maybe haven't discovered yet on this week's episodes. Look at the beautiful color on this. much nearly all of it. And then we're just gonna add a little wedge of lime, and cheers. That is so good, so refreshing. Her drink warmer is delicious, tastes great. Thanks for joining me today, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.